Hello and welcome back to the Health Channel. Today, we are going to talk about kombucha. If you're wondering what this fermented tea can do for your health, you're in the right place. Stick around as we dive into the incredible health benefits of kombucha. But first, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our health-conscious updates. But before we get started, here's a fun fact about kombucha that might surprise you. It's been around for over 2,000 years. This ancient elixir has been enjoyed by countless generations for its remarkable health properties. Now, let's explore what makes it so special. Number 1. Digestive health. Kombucha is brimming with live probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria and yeasts that support your gut health. These probiotics play a vital role in maintaining a balanced microbiome, aiding in the digestion and absorption of nutrients. When your gut is in harmony, you're less likely to experience digestive discomforts like bloating, gas, and indigestion. To maximize the digestive benefits, consider drinking kombucha before or with meals, as it can help break down food and ease the digestive process. Number 2. Immune system boost. Kombucha's antioxidant-rich content, particularly vitamin C, is a valuable ally for your immune system. Antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and supporting the immune response. Regular consumption of kombucha can help fortify your immune defenses, making you less susceptible to common illnesses and infections. Because of this, it is wise to incorporate it into your daily routine, especially during cold and flu seasons. Number 3. Detoxification. The glucaric acid found in kombucha plays a pivotal role in detoxifying your body. It aids the liver in metabolizing and excreting toxins more efficiently. By supporting your liver function, kombucha facilitates the elimination of harmful substances, including environmental pollutants and dietary toxins. Consider occasional detox periods where you prioritize kombucha consumption to enhance your body's natural detox processes. Number 4. Joint health. Kombucha contains glucosamine, a compound known for its ability to promote joint health. Glucosamine supports the formation of cartilage and synovial fluid, which lubricates and cushions your joints. If you're dealing with joint discomfort or stiffness, incorporating kombucha into your diet may help alleviate these symptoms and enhance your joint mobility. It's particularly valuable for individuals with arthritis or joint-related issues. Number 5. Improved mental well-being. The connection between your gut and brain, known as the gut-brain axis, is an emerging area of research. Kombucha's probiotics contribute to a balanced gut microbiome, which can positively influence your mood and mental health. A healthy gut often leads to improved mood, reduced anxiety, and better stress management. Suffering from a lot of stress? Incorporate kombucha into your diet as part of a holistic approach to mental well-being. Also include stress reduction techniques and regular physical activity to help you in the right direction. Number 6. Weight management. Kombucha is a low-calorie beverage that can be a valuable addition to your weight management plan. Its tart flavor can satisfy your cravings for sugary drinks while providing health benefits. Some studies suggest that kombucha may regulate appetite and increase feelings of fullness, potentially aiding in weight loss efforts. However, remember that sustainable weight management also relies on a balanced diet and regular exercise. Number 7. Skin radiance. Antioxidants in kombucha, such as polyphenols and vitamin C, can work wonders for your skin. These antioxidants combat free radicals that can damage skin cells and lead to premature aging. Drinking kombucha can contribute to a youthful and radiant complexion. Additionally, topical application of kombucha or kombucha-infused skincare products may help reduce acne, soothe skin irritation, and improve overall skin health. Number 8. Improved blood sugar levels. Kombucha is a valuable choice for individuals concerned about diabetes or those aiming to manage their blood sugar effectively. Some studies suggest that kombucha can assist in controlling blood sugar spikes after meals. This effect is attributed to the presence of bioactive compounds like acetic acid and polyphenols in kombucha. By stabilizing blood sugar levels, kombucha can promote overall metabolic health and reduce the risk of diabetes-related complications. However, it's important to complement kombucha consumption with a balanced diet and regular exercise for optimal blood sugar management. Number 9. Antimicrobial properties. Kombucha possess antimicrobial properties, which means it can help inhibit the growth of harmful microorganisms in the body. This benefit is largely attributed to its acetic acid content. Acetic acid creates an acidic environment in your body that may discourage the growth of pathogenic bacteria. While more research is needed in this area, some studies have shown that kombucha can be effective against certain strains of bacteria, offering an additional layer of defense for your overall health. Number 10. Anti-inflammatory properties. Kombucha possesses anti-inflammatory properties due to its rich content of bioactive compounds, including polyphenols and organic acids. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues, such as heart disease, arthritis, and autoimmune conditions. Consuming kombucha regularly may help reduce inflammation in the body by modulating the activity of inflammatory markers. This potential anti-inflammatory effect can contribute to better overall health and may provide relief for individuals with inflammatory conditions. Kombucha isn't just a super tasty beverage, it is full of amazing health benefits. Whether you're sipping it for its digestive perks or its immune-boosting properties, there's no doubt that kombucha deserves a spot in your wellness routine. If you have specific health concerns or medical conditions, consult with a healthcare professional before making kombucha a regular part of your diet. What's your favorite kombucha flavor? Let us know. And as we wrap up, stay tuned for more health-related content that'll keep you feeling your best. Thank you for joining us on the Health Channel today. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and leave your comments below. Until next time.